Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Remember, all the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring SplashThat.com, a comprehensive platform designed to streamline event management. From elegant invitations and RSVP tracking to sophisticated event websites and post-event analytics, SplashThat provides a robust suite of tools to elevate your event planning process. Whether you're organizing a corporate conference, a lively social gathering, or a private celebration, SplashThat offers a centralized hub for managing all the critical aspects of your event. The platform's intuitive interface makes navigating and utilizing its features a breeze, even for those new to event management software. Creating visually appealing event pages is simple, with customizable templates and design options that allow you to personalize your event's online presence. You can seamlessly integrate your branding elements and tailor the page to reflect the unique atmosphere of your event. Beyond its design capabilities, SplashThat excels in simplifying guest management. Effortlessly track RSVPs, send automated reminders, and manage guest lists with ease. The platform also facilitates communication with attendees through integrated email marketing tools, enabling you to share crucial updates and build anticipation for your event. After your event concludes, gain valuable insights with SplashThat's analytics features, which provide data on attendee engagement and overall event performance. This data can be instrumental in refining future events and maximizing their impact. Furthermore, SplashThat offers flexible ticketing options, allowing you to sell tickets directly through the platform and manage payments securely. This streamlined approach eliminates the need for third-party ticketing services and provides a cohesive experience for both event organizers and attendees. In summary, SplashThat is a powerful and user-friendly platform that empowers you to create memorable and successful events. Its comprehensive features, intuitive interface, and focus on data-driven insights make it an invaluable tool for any event planner.